Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through immune boosting foods, how to boost your immunity naturally using foods, and a couple of supplements I'm going to go through with you too. And I've also written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which lists out all the foods and gives you loads of tips and hints for just helping you combat colds, flus. And also I just want to say, to make it clear, this is not medical advice. This is just information that I've collated over the years to treat myself and my family. I also did study the first year of nutritional medicine degree. I didn't really finish it, just kids kind of got in the way, but it's okay. One day I'll go back and finish. For now, I'm absolutely obsessed with reading about nutrition, using food as medicine, trying prevention rather than going for Western medicine, which has a place, I do believe. But this video is just really all about how to boost your immunity to stop any kinds of colds, flus, viruses, etc. So let me get straight into it and talk you through. Over here, I've got courgettes, zucchinis. I try and include a rainbow of fruit and vegetables in my diet, raw and cooked. Whenever I go grocery shopping, kind of have this little mini goal of filling my trolley, my basket, with a rainbow of fruit and vegetables, because covering the whole spectrum will just bring all kinds of nutrition. There's benefits from every color of the rainbow. So just as an example, I've got courgettes here. I also love having broccoli, mushrooms. I've got garlic over there. Garlic is one of those wonderful ingredients that's just beautiful tasting as well as so full of nutrition, and it's actually what's known as a prebiotic. Garlic as well as onion, which I have over here, are prebiotics. Now prebiotics work together with probiotics to just help your natural bacteria thrive in your gut. So having those in your diet and making sure you get onion, garlic, which is kind of not a problem for us. We just love incorporating those in most meals of every day. So having those helps to just boost immunity. And so those are prebiotics. And probiotics, my example over here I've got is kefir. I love this kefir. I love having kefir in my diet. You could have kefir, yogurt, even sour cream and cheese are all natural probiotics which just make your gut healthy and help keep you full of good bacteria. So definitely having kefir or yogurt. You can also have kombucha, there's sauerkraut, loads of different probiotics which I will again all listed down in the blog post down below. And herbs, turmeric is one of those wonderful herbs, just vegetable that you can include in your diet. Just make sure that whenever you have turmeric you also have pepper. It just enhances the nutrition of it and it just makes it so good for you. So turmeric is another one just to help boost my immunity. It's also anti-inflammatory, so whenever we have any kind of aches or pains I tend to incorporate turmeric somehow in our diet to help combat that. And believe it, cacao powder is also one of those magical prebiotic foods, and having it in this wonderful organic state like this or in super dark chocolate, aim for little to no sugar and it's good and healthy for you. Now I'm all for having foods and not too much supplementing, but lately I've also been taking these supplements just to help boost with all the colds and things going around. I've got vitamin C crystals. Now this is pure vitamin C, there's no fillers in it, so if you could try and find a powder rather than a capsule, I don't know if it will ever focus for you, but this is pure vitamin C powder. I can read it for you. The ingredients really are a quarter of a teaspoon has 1125 milligrams of vitamin C. There's really nothing else in it. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing, but these are vitamin C crystals powder. There's a lot more bioavailable when you have it in crystals than having it in tablets. Tablets are a lot more difficult for your body to digest. So if you can try and get hold of vitamin C powder, if that's something you want to do, as I said, this is not dietary, nutritional, doctor's advice. This is just what I do and from my research, and I've been upping the vitamin C. Definitely speak with a health practitioner, with a doctor if you're concerned about the health of yourself or your family. Get prescribed. Don't just go and taking things because you heard it from someone on the internet. I'm just kind of giving you some ideas as a starting point, as things to look into. And the other one here is elderberry syrup, which is also great for your immunity. It's super immunity boosting. It's quite potent, this one. I found it last week here in Ireland. I'm sure you can find elderberry syrup wherever you are, or elderberry juice. Just try for as natural, organic-ish as possible, but it's totally up to you, whatever you like to take. And mint tea, I found was, I suppose that's more so for digestion, but mint and green tea are also good prebiotics, so just helping pull everything together in your diet and just helping to digest and helping make food more bioavailable. And some good omega-3s. I've got these organic Irish salmon fillets. We really splurged, although these are from Aldi, so they're not too pricey. I've just been loving having more fish in my diet, more omega-3s, more wholesome whole foods diet to kind of combat and to build my immunity from within. And as far as fruit goes, apples of course are great. The old saying, apple a day keeps the doctor away, so definitely having apple. They're full of healthy fiber, nutrition. My kids have an apple a day. I try and have apples on a regularish basis, but I have a lot of other fruit. Bananas are also really good and high in fiber. Watermelon, berries are full of antioxidants, great for immunity boosting as well. And lastly, I think I've been through everything. I've got a lemon over here, a little lonely lemon. I actually the other day even just made my lemon mousse. So I had lemon, the rind, the juice of lemon, had cream cheese, so that was also a natural probiotic, a fermented food, and it's just a wonderful way of having lemon. You could also make a smoothie, so you could pop some lemon, some almond milk, maybe a bit of kefir, and you've got a smoothie that's really nourishing. You could put a bit of turmeric, maybe a splash of pepper, just as I said, always having the turmeric with the pepper, and that's a way of having a smoothie that's full of all of these immune boosting foods. You could make a soup, whatever vegetables you have in your kitchen, pop them all together in a soup. That way you can really pack in the garlic and onion, again turmeric as well, and that's another option. I also love making chia puddings. We do overnight oats as well, and I just throw in a quarter of a cup here and there of all different kind of kefir and yogurt and everything, just to make it all rounded and full of good nutrition. So that is the video for today with how to boost your immunity naturally with all these immunity boosting foods. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know when you want some immunity boosting, what kind of foods you include in your diet. I look forward to reading your comments, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has a full list of everything that I've talked through, loads of tips and hints to help you and your family boost your immunity to stop getting any kinds of colds, flus and viruses. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.